It's basically a waltz. It's like a fine dance between the oven, the dough, the toppings, the water. It's everything in one. I mean, look how it's a beautiful pizza. So what he's doing is, so these ovens right now, they're running somewhere around 780 right now. So what you'll find is, as you know, Albert, that dough will come up very quickly. And also based on the type of vegetables we're using and the hydration of the dough, the cook time is very, look, it's already done. Give it about another 30 seconds at the most on that one. And these are Gianni and Cluto ovens. I'm very, very happy with them. And you create the dough and everything around the oven, and it's basically a waltz. It's like a fine dance between the oven, the dough, the toppings, the water. It's everything in one. I mean, look how it's a beautiful pizza. Do you have pans already out? Yeah, hand them to me. Alvin, I'm coming to you. So they're still cooking. When they're on the edge like that, they're still cooking because the heat on the steel. Just to put a little, see, just to put a little something. Just a little. So now we brought in a log to really bring that top heat so we can, watch, he'll bring it up. See, just a little, boom, bring it, done. Margarita, fungi. Roni and focus. That's it. So he's going to finish that one. He did? He did. Is it okay? I don't know, let me look at it.
Could you double cut them back to it, please?
Yep.
Smaller pieces?
That's good. No, just cut. Beautiful. That mushroom is amazing.
Thank you.
still using that? Special stuff for that.
Special stuff.
Beautiful. Wow. Gorgeous.
This is a, eat, don't worry. So that's speck Italian ham, and the mushroom on that pizza is what is called a micro portobello, which means it's tiny, tiny, very sweet, less earthy than a big cat, delicate, very delicate, but the flavor profile is there.
Are those produced
In the United States.
Where do you get them from?
I get them from a mushroom grower. Okay, that particular mushroom is very utilized in either a beautiful salad seasonally, or Japanese cuisine have a tendency of using micro vegetables. I use micro vegetables because I know culinary, and that's why it's so important that if you're a pizza maker, you have to know culinary to utilize those different ingredients on your quote pizza. This is a beautiful, this is beyond a baby. There's another mushroom on there. Shame on me, I don't remember the trumpet. I'm sorry, there's a trumpet on that, which is beautiful. The dough, as you can tell, is very soft.
Wonderful. Yeah.
This is my El Taglio, which kind of put me on the map. This has 2 to 3 different cheeses on it, but it is a cheese pizza. And just enjoy the food.
Thanks, man. I will do that.
Enjoy.